Hi everybody. So I come on today to share a little bit about two amazing spiritual technologies that I've been studying in the last few years in relation to my new course, Academy of Dream Alchemy. I know a lot of you have already had human design readings and possibly soul contract readings, and maybe you're very familiar with these systems already. But how I'm going to use them in my course will give you maybe a new understanding about how to apply the knowledge that I've already shared in terms of successfully utilizing it in your life experience. The first system that came to me a couple of years ago was human design, and specifically quantum human design. Human design for me was like a huge revelation. For years and years, I'd been on a conscious spiritual path, but there would be times where I'd kind of mess up and go off track and not really understand how to apply certain things. And when human design landed for me, finally I understood myself. Finally, I understood how my specific energy is designed to work and co-create with life. And the way that I work is different from the way that other people work. And on and on. We're all unique. We're all designed differently. And that was the part that was, I think, missing for me before. Sometimes we try to put ourselves in a structure that doesn't actually fit for who we are. And I wonder why things don't work. Wonder why somebody else does something and everything flows perfectly. And when we try to operate that way, doesn't quite go the same. So when human design landed for me, it was like a huge aha moment. And it gave me this structure to start consciously choosing to work with. And it was this huge revelation for me. Everything in my life started opening up. My whole energy relaxed. I was able to open and have more faith in spirit because I understood things in a deeper way. I understood myself in a deeper way. So human design basically gives you this body map. It's based on our birth details, our birth time, specific, exact birth time and birthplace. And it's translated into a body graph map. And this is the map that shows how your energy flows in your body and the specific archetypes that you've chosen to have defined within you as consistent energy, and you're learning how to master in this lifetime. So it's when we know something consciously, when we have awareness about why something is the way that it is, we can then have choice, and we can, through that choice, take our power back. So the second system that I want to talk about is called the soul contract system. So when our soul decides to come in to this incarnation, as well as choosing our time of birth and our place of birth, and also our parents, we also choose the name that we're going to be called, our names, but specifically our birth certificate name. The soul is transmitting this to our parents before birth, so that it gets certain qualities, archetypes to experience in this lifetime. So in this system, we look at the birth certificate name and we translate it into ancient Hebrew through the Hebrew fire letters, and then that's put onto a Star of David map. And when you look at the Star of David map, your own soul contract, you can see the different stages in your life. You can see the challenges and the places that we've come to heal and the opportunities for growth. We can also see the places where we're more talented, we have gifts, we have kind of unique abilities that we can use to overcome our challenges, and also to attain our goals, because there are certain parts in the charts that are our goals in this lifetime. And it's a kind of culmination of the whole chart. Then in the center, we have our soul destiny, our mission. What we're here, our soul is here ultimately to attain, to move into, in alignment with our grand design, our highest expression. All of these archetypes are working all of the time for us, but on the path of self-mastery, we get to, first of all, become aware of them and to heal places where we might be a bit stuck, a bit contracted, a bit wounded. And then step by step, move more and more into the mastery of these archetypes. And as we move into mastery in ourselves and create better life experiences for ourselves, we're then here to share this with other people, to give our gift of service to humanity and to this planet. So basically, the combination of these two systems personally has provided me with very deep insights as to why I'm here, what I'm here to overcome, what my talents is, what my goals is, which I might have been resisting on a personality level. But when I become clear about them, it's been easier for me to step into these roles, because the more I have done, the more fulfillment has come to me, because it's coming from a very deep place inside my soul. It's no place that I can even explain. It's no, because it's something that's happening outside of myself. The outside my world might not have changed much, but something inside has changed as I step more into alignment with my soul's mission, my soul's purpose for being here. So in Academy of Dream Alchemy, this is not just about gaining things on a material level that we think that will bring us more joy, will bring us more peace, will bring us whatever it is that we think we need outside of ourselves. It's actually tapping into who we are deep down and what we're here to bring and how we're here to serve. And so these aspects are very much incorporated into my course. I think on a very deep level, we might have material desires or wishes in terms of relationships or different things like that. But deep down, what we really are looking for is a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction, and a sense of being aligned with the truth of who we are. So everybody that's taken part in the course will be given their human design chart and their soul contract chart if you haven't already received that. And we're going to be going into the knowledge within the chart in a more practical application in terms of how do we use this to consciously create and express ourselves in the fullness of who we are.